Alright guys, so today we have a brand new Pro Max in town, and this time it's called the Redmi Note 17 Pro Max. Now, how does it actually deserve the Pro Max name? Well, it's basically focused on three key items. Firstly, Pro Max in terms of its battery, huge battery in here. Secondly, also Pro Max in terms of its durability. So it's going to be extremely strong. We're going to test it out later. And of course, Pro Max in its terms of longevity. That means it's going to last pretty long, with Redmi giving you proper software support and updates. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video real quick and find out a little bit more about what the Redmi Note 17 Pro Max can do. It's also getting pretty hot, so let's head inside. Alright, so first up, what do we really mean by a Pro Max battery? So in here, we actually have a 10,000 mAh silicon carbon battery, and that's actually massive. Think about it this way, it might actually be double the size of your typical standard phone's battery. Other than that, despite having such a huge battery, guys, take a look at this. It's actually fairly slim, not very thick, and not very heavy as well. The best part here is, other than using this for a couple of days on a single charge, you can typically use it without having any battery anxiety. But a really strong point is that you can also use this sort of like as a spare phone, use it as a power bank to charge up other devices. Yes, you can do reverse wired charging, and if you happen to carry another phone or maybe your friend's phone ran out of juice, you can use this Redmi Note 17 Pro Max to actually charge up the other device. Now speaking about charging, this phone actually supports a 100-watt hypercharge that's actually extremely quick. It's worth noting that because it's a 10,000 mAh unit, so it might take a little while to charge it up. Just to give you a bit of perspective, I actually did a very quick charging test, and you can see the stats and chart on your screens. Basically, if you wake up in the morning with only 10% of battery, 20 minutes of charge will give you an additional 20%, but ultimately, we're having a very strong battery over here that's good enough to last a couple of days, and then more. You can use it to charge up other devices, and it also charges up very quickly. Having said that, let's head off to our next spot to talk about the next Pro Max feature. Let's go. Alright guys, so we are at our next spot, and the reason for that is because we got a pool here, we got some concrete floor over there, and that's because the next Pro Max feature is all about its durability. Now in fact, Redmi is calling this Titan quality because it's built to withstand all kinds of drops as well as water splashes. But essentially, it is rated for 3 meters of drop resistance. Now I know you're going to tell me one thing, if we do drop it on the road, hard surface, a lot of stones, of course it will still crack, but this 3-meter drop resistance and all that is basically to protect you from daily accidents. So starting off from my height, so I'm about 1.7, we do it here. Of course at this height it's completely fine. Alright, so now this tile is actually proper tiles, very hard. We're going to do a drop test over here. Let's do it. So the phone is still perfectly fine right now. First test, again at 1.7, I can't try 3 meters because I'm not that tall, but here we go. First drop, everything still looks okay. Front is fine, back is fine. It's Gorilla Glass Victus 2 by the way. So I'm going to go over this and let's see if we can drop it at a higher rate. So 1, 2, 3. Ooh. And of course, it is still fine. The only thing damaged is probably a couple of bubbles under the screen protector, but yeah, just switch off the screen protector. I think we should do one more just for fun. And this time, even higher. I'll try the highest that I can. 1, 2, 3. Still looks fine. Alright, that's it. And when it comes to your water protection, you've got a whole string of IP ratings here. We've got IP66, 68, 69, as well as 69K. Now what this means is the phone itself can be submerged into the pool or even up to 6 meters deep for 30 seconds, and it will also withstand high temperatures of water as well as jet sprays onto it. So I think if you're going to be using this outdoors, maybe under the rain and all that, for day-to-day accidents, it's going to be protected. Alright guys, now moving on to the third Pro Max feature of the Redmi Note 17 Pro Max, and that's really all about longevity. Like I said at the start of the video, Redmi really wants you to keep using your device for a long period of time. And what they're doing here is promising you a 4+6 combo in terms of software and security updates. That means even after multiple years, you will still be able to get all those major Android upgrades, so you don't have to worry about your phone being left out for newer features. In fact, when it comes to the hardware, Redmi is also promising a battery capable of retaining more than 80% capacity even after charging it for more than 1,600 times. So, assuming you charge your phone once a day, that will probably last you about 4 years, or because the battery is so big, you might actually charge it less times and that will actually last you a bit longer. Other than that, Redmi is also giving you a 5-year battery warranty, 3-year screen protection, 2 years liquid damage coverage, another 2 years for your back cover warranty, and a 2-year quality warranty. So you can see that you're pretty much covered over here, but more details on that in the description box down below. So now that we've covered the 3 main Pro Max features, let's head back to the studio and check out a couple of basic specifications that you need to know about. Okay, we are now back in the studio, so let's take a look at how this phone performs in terms of its daily specifications. Now the first thing we want to cover is actually in terms of the cameras at the back. This is a dual sensor setup led by a 50 megapixel main sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and at the front you have a 32 megapixel selfie cam. Now the quality of these photos is nothing to shout about because naturally this is not an upper mid-range, it's not a flagship phone, but it's still good enough for you to use on a day-to-day basis. Here's a couple of samples so you can see on your screens. All these photos were taken without any editing. This is just for your reference. Now moving over to the front, this is actually one of my favorite parts here because it's got a fairly large 6.83-inch 1.5K AMOLED display that gets extremely bright even if you're using a phone outdoors. Now the good thing here is that if you're replying to a message, if you're just browsing, even under the sun, it's still bright enough for you to see all the content on it clearly. Finally, in terms of the chipset, this device here is being powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 5. Now on paper, it might sound like a lower series compared to its predecessor, but the performance is actually roughly in the same ballpark. This basically means it's good enough for your daily usage. You can use it to browse your social media, jump between apps, and you can also play Mobile Legends at the following graphic settings very smoothly. Now, it's worth highlighting that despite the increase in prices of RAM and storage, what we get on the Redmi Note 17 Pro Max is actually a pretty good one. We have LPDDR5X for its RAM and UFS 4.1 for faster storage. So that's still a positive thing there. So at the end of the day, who is the Redmi Note 17 Pro Max really for? In my opinion, I think it's made for someone who cares less about having the fastest processor or the craziest camera, but one who cares more about having a phone that just keeps going. Now the 10,000 mAh battery in here means you don't have to constantly think about charging, and the durability means you don't have to constantly baby your device. Furthermore, with the longer software support, the battery longevity, and also the coverage that Redmi is providing you with, this ensures that the device is designed to stay with you for years. So, what do you guys think of the brand new Redmi Note 17 Pro Max? Is this something that you are looking for? Let me know down in the comment section below. Now with that said, thank you for watching today's video all the way to the end. Hopefully it has helped you out in a way or another, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Do take care, enjoy your phones, and bye bye.